Niksoukkuaukak, nistuakoukka Makiinima, kitkonäksumetsem pinnaan. Mohkutuks käksoukimuksi tapo tekik sakeita piika kimaya. Aksou mohtsi isinutski muhka manifestimisin. Kiksukani miksi äsukinakiak, saamus niistuskeini tahkiminnukia kiistunnuun. Ahtuman stäässä paa, pakaamata pakäätä piopan toki issinuutsem. Käytä mut kaapsiutukska maamuna hei niissinnään. Apinakku saa kaaksia. Kimatset siihen niikseen. No kattohkaapsia, no kiitseistukaapsia. Hän eikä skää se tappien kattohkaapsia niistä skousuksistaapi. Hän skää katsis skaanaapio. No patsemuikaa, no piipuikaa kääk. Hän muuksiski issenjuutsemiksi, muuksi nimpstääksääkää. Spummuukaa, hikskunataappi, kitatsemuikannoon. Niin taakatsi kahkiminna, no niikseen maansissa puukaa tuomiaisikse nimaatsahpia. Ne taaksaa piippui. On behalf of the council and our staff and the frontline workers, our health professionals, our nurses, our other frontline workers, we want to continue to encourage you to listen to the good advice, to the wise words that they are telling us about social distancing, staying home, staying healthy, and those other important messages that are being shared with us. Unfortunately, we now have 34 of our people who have contacted the virus. 18 have recovered. 16 are still active. And unfortunately, one of our members passed away a few days ago due to complications as a result of the virus. One is in ICU. So we send our prayers, we send our thoughts to those that are to those who have been infected by the virus, and those of you that have lost loved ones. I wanted to include in today's message something maybe a little more on the positive side, and that is to speak to our graduates, our grade 12 graduates, as well as our those who are graduating from the post-secondary institutions, universities, colleges, tech schools. So I prepared a little message for you. If you will permit me, I'm going to try and read it so that I can convey our thoughts in the encouragement that we will be giving you. So, on behalf of our council and tribe and my family, we congratulate you, we praise you, and we encourage you to embrace the academic challenges that you will encounter towards the advancement of your respective goals and aspirations. We also thank your parents, grandparents, guardians, extended families, your teachers and education staff, your bus drivers, and those elders who have contributed to the successful completion of your studies at this time. We are very proud of your accomplishments. However, you should view your graduation as the beginning of your respective journeys towards the post-secondary opportunities and career choices that you have made at this time. We are all experiencing tough times because of the pandemic. And it is unfortunate that you will be deprived of the normal graduation exercises that every student should experience at the conclusion of their grade 12 studies and at the completion of their post-secondary education. However, it is during challenging times that we should remember the wisdom of our ancestors as told to us by our knowledgeable elders. One of the key understandings of our ways pertains to important journeys that our ancestors undertook during the course of their lives and with the help of our Creator. They would prepare themselves before they went on important excursions and travels such as hunting, trading, and of course in capturing horses and other goods from our traditional enemies. After they had made all the necessary preparations, sometimes they would encounter minor difficulties before they actually began their journeys, and those minor setbacks were considered to be signs from the Creator. They took those initial difficulties as indicators that their specific expeditions would prove to be successful in the future. And therefore, they proceeded with their travels with renewed vigor and akastoaps. You are now experiencing greater difficulties at this time because of the pandemic. And perhaps that could be taken as a sign that your respective travels towards continued education and or embarking on your chosen careers will be more successful in the future. Sometimes our Creator tests our mettle in various ways, and it is up to us to accept and embrace those challenges rather than bemoaning our circumstances and giving up. You will be confronted with many barriers during the course of your respective journeys, and you should choose to follow the practice of akastoaps in overcoming those difficulties. Akastoaps was used by our brave ancestors whenever they were preparing for battle, and the closest English translation that they used are these words: embrace the coming battle, embrace the coming battle, for you will be victorious and attain glory. Remember, you are our new warriors of the Kainai blood tribe, and we are extremely proud of your accomplishments to date. So on behalf of our council, on behalf of the tribe, my family, we congratulate you again. We give you praise and we encourage you to continue with your additional studies, and we encourage you to embrace life's challenges that will be coming your way. Thank you very much.
Okay, Nistoako Kito Momahka. Good afternoon. This is Dorothy First Rider, a member of the Blood Tribe Council. Good afternoon, everybody. This message is for all of our Blood Tribe members, not only the ones that are on reserve, but the ones off reserve as well. Please ensure that you abide by all of the notices and the safeguards that the Blood Tribe keeps reminding our people of. Please ensure that you wear your masks when you go to any public facility. When you go off the reserve, if you can wear gloves as well. As you can see, I'm wearing mismatched gloves, but that's okay. Use the hand sanitizers. If you don't have any masks, I encourage you to pick up masks from McDonald's, A&W, and I forget where the other place is, Tim Hortons. Pick up some masks. If you're making masks at home, please make some extra ones and give it to those people that don't have the ability to pick up masks or to make masks. Please protect yourselves. If you can't protect yourselves, you can't protect your families. This is a very serious virus, and although Alberta is restricting is lifting the restrictions and relaxing the restrictions, the Blood Tribe is now only experiencing the virus in the last several weeks, and our numbers today are at 16. So this virus is extremely dangerous. So please make every precaution to be able to protect yourselves, your families, your communities, your friends. We cannot emphasize this enough. We have one member that is in the hospital. We have some that are at the Flamingo Hotel in Cardston. If anybody needs to isolate or they need to quarantine, please ensure that you contact the number 403-737-8411 to make arrangements. And for those that are sick at home from the virus or that have tested positive, if you need anything, we are more than helpful to assist with you through the office of Lance Tailfeathers. She'll put together a package and ensure that we attempt to help you with your needs as much as possible. Isolate if you have to, if you go off the reserve to areas such as Calgary, Edmonton, or wherever. Please take every precaution and take care of our elders. Ensure the safety of our elders and our children. Thank you very much.
Okay, once again, just want to thank our frontline workers for their due diligence and trying to keep our communities safe and combating this the COVID. But also accolades or a shout out to our community members who are being proactive with safety measures. Once again, we can't stress enough that our members, even though the province has lifted some of the restrictions, that we continue to watch out for each other and also continue to be mindful. And we know now that we have members affected by COVID, but at the same time really being careful and being respectful of each other's safety. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Again,